Take a look at the difference here. So that's why it's important to know how to make a proper pizza. It's important to know that the customer, they don't care about what they say, because this is a mistake that the customer makes. But the problem here is that you cannot say to the customer, because you asked the pizza with more tomato sauce, or you asked the pizza with more cheese. You often always say, yes, we can, but not make this mistake. Hello guys from Maestro Ettio Copelli, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see what makes Neapolitan pizza soggy. Like you can see here, look at this. We can basically drink like a cup of water. So this video is about this problem. Like you can see, this is pool texture. This pizza is a Neapolitan pizza soggy. Look at this, we got water everywhere. So you are going to see a video today to resolve this. So make sure you watch until the end, learn the art of pizza. Here we are going to see a few problems, because not only one problem that makes the pizza soggy like this. It's a few issues, and I'm here to teach you all the secret. Let's wrap it up and let's start this video. Let's go. Okay, this video is going to be super technical, because I want you to make the best pizza you can ever make in your house or in your business, because this is perfect for both. Let's talk about directly on the oven. First of all, the temperature of the oven needs to be perfect, around 300 Celsius, 320. If you're using a wood burning oven, you're cooking at 400 or 800 Fahrenheit, the pizza comes out soggy. So it's important. So let's go ahead and let's start right away to make the pizza, the first pizza. And I want to talk about, in this case, on the first pizza, about the cheese, because it's also important, the cheese. So let's go ahead right away. And if you're new in this channel, go ahead, check out my channel, subscribe, and you can learn how to make this best Neapolitan pizza or whatever about pizza. So let's go ahead, a little bit of flour. We stretch, just like that. We leave a little bit of crust, but we focus on the pool texture, the soggiest or sogginess. Because the most complaint that I had when I had a pizza place in Los Angeles was, oh, the Neapolitan pizza is too soggy, blah, 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 blah. It's soggy because these few reasons that we are going to do now. So we put tomato sauce, like usual way to make sauce. Then we put Parmesan cheese, we put whatever we want to put. But we get to the ingredients also. So look at this. This is the cheese that we're gonna use. So regular cut that you think that is properly, like you saw always in the video, see? We got some water, wet mozzarella, but let's make it. I want to show you how the pizza will come out. Now, you think that this pizza is perfect, and then we put olive oil. Voila. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to make it the perfect way to not make the pizza soggy. So please follow the steps. This is the mistake number one, which is the cut of the cheese. And put a little bit of flour. So in this case, you have a regular pizza, and then you're going to add the toppings or whatever, so you make the pizza much more heavier, and the pizza will come out much more soggy. So let's go ahead and let's put it in the oven. Boom. So right now we are cooking the pizza at 370 Celsius. So we're gonna wait, and look at this. We have overnight, we cut the cheese how it's supposed to be cut, not too thick, not too thin. So like you can see, this is the perfect cut here. And then we put this in the fridge overnight. I put a little bit of towel, because we want all the cheese to dry out. We want it really dry compared to this, because when you're using fresh mozzarella, you get see, it's wet. If you squeeze it, you get milk under. So that makes the pizza soggy, like you can see in a little bit when it's cooked. Okay, the mozzarella starts to bubble. This is the pizza. Like you can see, you think that this pizza is good, but look at this. We have the pizza super soggy. Look at this, so much super wet. At the crust, it's perfect. It looks good. The pizza looks good. The problem is when we get to the table, the more we wait, the more soggy the pizza will be. So this is the problem of the cheese. That's what we're gonna do. And put a little bit of towel on the bottom. That's an option if you want to. That's to make it more dry. So let's go ahead, let's save it, and let's see at the end of the perfect pizza. So let's move on to the second one, which is the sauce. How much sauce you need to put on the pizza, because that's what also makes the pizza soggy. Let's stretch. And now, pay attention to this. The perfect amount of tomato sauce is about 1 scoop, so this amount, so probably 80 grams of tomato sauce. Then some people put extra, which is they think that is good to put a lot of sauce. In this case, like they put a little bit extra more. When people ask or customer ask, can I have extra sauce? You never put the extra sauce like this under. You put always a little bit of extra sauce on top of the cheese. This way, you put in extra sauce, but you're not putting extra sauce. You're just showing the customer that you really put extra sauce, but basically you just put in 10 to 15 grams extra, which now makes the pizza soggy. So in this case, we're gonna use my fresh mozzarella just to show you that the problem here is the tomato sauce that is gonna make the pizza more soggy. Then we put the olive oil. Here we go. Let's cook it and let's see the damage of this pizza. Then we cook again this pizza at 370 Celsius. Same spot. Opla. There we go. And let's wait and let's see the second problem of this issue of soggy pizza. Here we go, guys. The pizza, it's ready. And you're going to see a different problem here now. So here we go. Look at this. See? We still have all the cheese that moves like that. Look at this. This is super, super soggy. So, but take a look at the difference here. So that's why it's important to know how to make a proper pizza. It's important to know that the customer or parents or whatever, they don't care about what they say, because this is a mistake that the customer makes. But the problem here is that you cannot say to the customer, because you asked the pizza with more tomato sauce, or you asked the pizza with more cheese. You often always say, yes, we can, but not make this mistake. Because always you need to know how to resolve the issue or make the customer happy. So how do you do that? You put the regular amount of tomato sauce, you put the cheese, and then you put a little bit of tomato on top, just like that, to show the customer that's the extra sauce. And that's the way how the pizza Napolitan should be. So now, let's go ahead and let's make the perfect way how to make Neapolitan pizza. Let's put this on the side. Let's grab the pizza dough. In the same time, I'm gonna go ahead and lower down the temperature in the oven by keeping the door open, because I don't have a wood burning oven or a gas oven. In this case, the oven is right now at 360. I want to bring it to 350 to make it good. We don't want to have it too hot, you know what I mean? So let's get the dough and let's stretch. Here we go. Now in the flour again, a couple of times, and let's stretch the pizza. Keep in mind, don't pay attention of the cross or anything, because this dough is not like perfectly ready yet. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna close the oven. This way it doesn't get too low. Now let's put the correct amount of tomato sauce, which is about 80 grams, like that. Let's turn it. Keep in mind, in the center of the pizza, we wanna have less tomato sauce, because a Neapolitan pizza is too thin on the center. So this is how it should look like. A tomato evenly added, but in the center we put less. Then we put the Parmesan cheese with some toppings, because you don't want to put too much topping, and then the cheese that we had, always in the center less. And you have to spread ingredients evenly. So if you add in ingredients, you put less cheese, less artichoke, or less mushroom. So the more are the toppings, the less ingredient you need to put. You cannot put so many toppings, otherwise the pizza is gonna come out soggy. So you have to balance all the ingredients. That's very important. This is the perfect way. Then we put olive oil. Always start from the center, just one gently olive oil touch. So let's go ahead and let's put it in the oven and let's see how this pizza will come out. Okay, so now let's wait, let's get the plate, and let's see a perfect Neapolitan pizza. The perfect way how, well, the perfect way is a big word. You have to see my other videos to see that. How to not make the pizza soggy. Okay, the pizza, it's ready. Let's go ahead, let's take it out. Here we go. Boom, voila. Nice and perfect. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. On my videos, on my channels, you don't see any secret. Pay attention. That's hot. Take a look. 3, 2, 1. Did you see that? Look. The pizza, it's perfect. Look at this, just to give you a fresh mind. So look at this pizza. Look how much water there. Take a look at the differences. Now, we're gonna go ahead and put the basil. You can also put a little bit extra olive oil to make a nice and perfect look for the pizza, for the customer. See? That's what I'm talking about. So in this video, we'll learn a few things how to not make the pizza sauce. The tomato sauce, the cheese, and then also hopefully you understand about a few toppings problems. So keep in mind, I'm here for you. Comment below and I will reply to all of your questions. So for now, just share this video with your friends. This way we don't have any more soggy pizzas. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you at the next one. Ciao!